Okay, here we go. Okay, full lines. Make some copy. Come back again. Here we go. Paste this information. Okay, that's all. Now I have to go to add images, upload image. Let's go to the desktop again, clothes, folder of clothes, clothes 2 related. Okay, I have to add okay, this product or this image. Okay, save it, scroll down, compare price, it will be 120, new price to be 99. Inventory SKU, we have to add some SKU number. Also, this is the barcode number. Track, exactly, we have to track this product quantity. It will be 250. Let's scroll down to see more. Allow customer purchase this product when it's out of stock. No, don't advise to choose this. The shipping weight, it's 150 gram. Full manually. Okay, it's manually fulfillment service. Let's scroll down to see other options. This product requires shipping, exactly, because of its physical products. Here we go. Variants. Does this product comes in multiple variations like size or color? Yes. Here I'm going to add variant. At the variant, we have to add multiple options like size or colors. Okay, here's the default size. Option name size. Option value, it will be small, enter, small, medium, enter, large, enter, X large, enter, XX large, enter. So we have a multiple option value at the size: small, medium, large, X large, XX large. We have 5 options at the size. Okay, what can we do? Also, here we see the additional add another options. Let's go to choose the color. It's correct. Here we see the orange. Okay, orange, enter. Also, we have the red, enter, green, enter, white, green, enter, blue, enter, white, enter, black, enter. Okay, that's all, I think. Okay, these are the number available of this product. Add another options if we want to add also another options. So let's choose. So here we see the full description of these products. Here we see multiple options which relates to the variants of size and the color. Size small, color orange. Size small, color red. Size small, color green. Size small, color white. Color white green. Size small, color blue. Size small, color white. Size small, color black. Size small, color black. Medium orange, medium red. So we have multiple options. Also, here we see the price for each of them, the barcode, the inventory, the quantity of each product of this. Okay, we may take it as is. Also, we have the ability to change the inventory quantity for each number. Also, we can change the price. So here we may change the price to be 90. That will be 80. Sorry. Okay. 85. It's as example. Also, we have to change the quantity if we want. I'm going to change the quantity. It will be 90. Let's go to make some changes with other options. it will be 98, it will be 70 as example. So all of these, as I mentioned, it's example. You have to add your options. Also, you have the ability to add or to change the barcode or the SKU that relates to you, or it depends on your options. So that's all when we add a new variant options for this product. As you see, let's try to add multiple or different images. So this is the product. Okay, as you see, I'm choosing all of these images. Okay, that's correct. What I'm doing, I get to choose the other images to be shown for each customer, for the customer. So that's all at this point. Let's scroll down to see what can we do at these features and options to be exactly fulfill all features. Okay, collections, it's homepage, tags, vendor, t-shirt, product type, t-shirt, title, description. Okay, let's go to save changes or save products. This is the variant product. When we add the product relates to other products. That's all. Now let's go to the front end. Then we have to make some changes by refresh. Here we go. Let's scroll down. Okay, unfortunately there is no image for t-shirt. Why? Okay, have to go back again to see what happens. Okay, I'm sorry, it's still now upload, so we have to be more patient so that we didn't see any photos. Okay. Now it's done. Let's go to save changes. We have to be more patient to see the loader. Okay, it's done.